Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, you know that we have completed the third chapter with all the grammar topics also. Worksheets also we have completed, and then we have also discussed all the exercises of the textbook, right? Now, today we will be starting the fourth chapter. And you all know that the fourth chapter is a poem. Okay, it's a poem and you will really enjoy this poem. Is very nice. When I will teach you this poem, it's very interesting. It is not like normal poems. It is very easy to understand also. So when you can understand, you really enjoy doing that thing, right? So this poem is very easy, very simple and very entertaining and interesting. You will love it. And it will also give you some knowledge also. Now, for that, I would like to do one small activity, that is, I will like to ask you some riddles. Now, do you know what are riddles? Some of you may be knowing, some of you may not be knowing. Okay, you know why I am asking you riddles is because on the first page of this poem, that is, the first page is always the I connect part, right? In the I connect part, there are many riddles asked. And that riddles you have to do it on your own. Those riddles answers I will not tell you. Those riddles you will have to solve on your own. And you will come to know about what those riddles are when I will show you the I connect part. So now I will just ask you 2 or 3 riddles. And then you will come to know, you will get an idea of what are riddles. Okay, come on. Let me ask you the first riddle. Okay, what is that thing which begins with T? There is one word or there is one thing you can say. It begins with the letter T, means T for tiger. In the beginning also there is T. Then at the last, that is at the end also there is T. Letter T for tiger. And inside also there is T. Can you tell me? Again I am repeating my question. What is that thing which starts with T? At the end also there is T. And inside also there is T. Can you answer me? Come on, think. It's very interesting. Yes, very good, students. Some of you must have guessed it right. And some of you must be not knowing the answer. But I will tell you, the answer is teapot. You know teapot? The teapot word starts with the letter T. Then at the end of teapot also there is T. And inside the teapot also you put tea. Yes or no? Inside the teapot, a teapot is used to keep tea. So inside the teapot also there is tea. So the answer is teapot. Beginning T, at the end T, and inside also T. Okay? So this is called a riddle. It's a very fun question. Okay? It's a fun way of asking you questions. Okay? Then let me ask you the next riddle. What is that one thing that when it is young it is big or long, but when it grows old it gets smaller and smaller? When it is young it is big, but when it grows old it gets smaller and smaller. What is that one thing? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Some of you must have answered it correctly. The answer is a candle. A candle, when it is young means when it is new, it is very long or it is big. But when it gets old means when you light it, it gets smaller and smaller. Yes or no? It gets smaller and smaller. So the answer is candle. Okay? And now let me ask you one more question. Okay. What is that one thing that it is full of holes? That thing, there are many holes in that thing, but still it can hold water. Now you know water, if there is a hole, suppose if you put water in something and if there is hole, then all the water will come out. Yes or no? If you are putting water in a plastic glass and if there is a hole in the glass, all will come out. But this one thing, it is having many holes, it is full of holes, but still when you put water in it, it holds the water, means the water will not come out. Do you know what is that thing? Yes, very good. The answer is a sponge. You know sponge? There are so many tiny holes in that, but when you put water, it all goes inside the sponge. The water does not come out. Okay, so these were some riddles that I wanted to ask you. And riddles, you know, they are very funny. You will really enjoy riddles, yes or no? Riddles are like funny questions that are asked. So in why I asked you riddles, you understood, right? In your I Connect part of this poem, there are some riddles asked and you have to solve it on your own. You have to think about it. I will not tell you the answers, and they are very simple. Okay, so do you know what riddles are asked in the I Connect part? Come on, let's see it. Okay students, so we are doing the first part. This is the first video and this is the first part. Okay students, and the name of the poem is Don't Throw the Seeds Away. Come on, now let's see the I Connect part. Okay students, so this is the first page of your poem, and you know the first page always there is a I Connect part. See over here it is given I Connect. Now can you see what is the question? It is on page number 21 of your textbook. Read the riddles and guess the fruits and vegetables. Now you know about what are these riddles? These riddles are all about the fruits and vegetables. Why, you know, they are asking about fruits and vegetables? Because you are going to learn about fruits in this poem. Okay, so that is why they have asked you riddles about fruits and vegetables. Okay, so I will just read the riddles once and then you have to do it on your own. See the first one. I am red and round, full of juice and seeds. Eat me raw or cooked, however you need. Okay, number 2. Mix yellow and red. Eat me and you are fed. Same color, same name. I am worth my fame. Number 3. Long and green, wrinkled and bitter. I am a gourd. Do I have your nod? Number 4. Long and yellow, I taste so mellow. Monkeys love me, so do you. I cure all ailments, even the flu. So these are the 4 riddles. It can be fruit also, it can be a vegetable also. So you have to write the answers with a pencil. Over here the space is provided. And see, there is one more activity. That activity is also very good. Could you solve all the riddles? Do all the fruits and vegetables have seeds? Name 2 fruits that have seeds and 2 that don't. So in this space, do you know what you have to write? You have to write the name of 2 fruits in which there are seeds, and remaining 2 fruits you have to write other 2 fruits name which are not having any seeds. Understood? So this I Connect part you will have to do it on your own. Understood students? Okay students, so I hope you have understood the I Connect part. It's very simple. There are only riddles and then a small activity below where you have to write the names of 2 fruits with seeds and 2 fruits without seeds. And you can even make a list. On one side you must write all the fruits which are having seeds, and on other side you must write the names of fruits which are not having seeds. So you all have to think, yes or no. See, it's very easy to write the names of fruits which are having seeds because mostly all the fruits are having seeds, but you have to think a lot when you have to write the names of fruits which are not having seeds. So can you think? Yes, you should think. Now let me see how many students can write the names of fruits which are not having seeds. Okay, please try and let's see which student will have the maximum number of fruits. See, you can write fruits also, you can write vegetables also, okay, which are having seeds, means mix. You can write fruits and vegetables together. So this is your activity. You have to write, you have to make a list. On one side fruits and vegetables with seeds, and on other sides fruits and vegetables without seeds. How much you can think of, you can write the maximum number of fruits and vegetables. All the fruits and vegetables, whatever comes in your mind, you must write. So let me see how many of you will find out the names of fruits and vegetables which are not having any seeds. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, please do the activity, yes or no? Okay, so this was my activity for this was my video for today. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day.